Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Instant Unbrick. In this video, there is a part which is series Xiaomi Redmi 9, Redmi 14C. So for Demo Live, as you can see for yourself, there is a video clip. So I will try to install again to avoid Demo Live permanently. To install it, I use Unlock tool. And you also need to prepare a room, which I have prepared in the description. Okay, then I release the phone, Redmi 14C. After the phone has been released, I open it directly. Like this, you select on the Media T. Then checklist Custom DA. Custom DA, you also select Room Setup. Room Setup you can use where you put the firmware. Then we click Test. Okay, when the phone has been released, we click on USB. Or when it has been released, we click on USB, so that you do not take long when you watch my video. If the process has been released, it is like in my video, you can see. The phone is automatically installed. USB you can release, it is no problem. For the process has been released. For the process you can use. The phone has been released, it is no problem. The system has been released, and so on, because I tested on the phone. The phone has been released, it is no problem. Because I tested on the phone, it is no problem.